Hey everyone, welcome to How to Wave. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon Go on your PC. So listen to the guide very carefully. So let's learn how to play Pokemon Go in your PC with this simple guide. First, download and install a trusted Android emulator like BlueStacks. Open the emulator and sign in with your Google account. From the Google Play Store, within the emulator, install Pokemon Go. To simulate movement, enable the GPS spoofing feature in the emulator setting and configure your virtual location. Once set up, you can enjoy playing Pokemon Go directly from your PC. Remember to play responsibly and abide by the game's guidelines. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more gaming tips and useful guides.